Hello mga kaibigan! Welcome to Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte, Jammu Pinoy. Ako si Lucky Mary Isabel Assis Dacamento at ngayon, samahan niyo ako at explore the history and top tourist attraction of this vibrant town. Tara na!
Right here is the Sindangan Municipio. It is where the local government works. You'll see the Rizal Monument, a tribute to our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. And this big open space is for students to practice. This plaza is also family friendly. And here is the volleyball field. There's also a playground for kids to enjoy. And just a few steps away, you'll see the church, perfect for quiet moments for prayer. And if you are feeling hungry, there are food stalls nearby where you can try local snacks and drinks. At night, the plaza becomes magical. The dancing fountain comes alive with colorful lights and music. And during the holiday season, the big Christmas tree is a must-see. It's a great spot to take pictures and enjoy the festive view.
Alam niyo ba na ang Sindangan ay isang dating simpleng fishing village? The name Sindangan comes from the Sabanan word Sindang, meaning to fish using a trap. Over time, naging progressive town ito while preserving its culture and traditions.
Ang pangingisda ang pangunahing kabuhayan dito sa Sindangan.
Ang mga Sabanan at early Christian settlers ang nagbigay ng makulay na kaysaysayan sa Sindangan. Today, it's a mix of history and modern life. Ngayon, punta na tayo sa isa sa mga iconic spots ng Sindangan, ang Divine Mercy Shrine. Travel tips. Travel tip number 1, always magdala ng tubig at pagkain para iwas dehydration at iwas gutom. Travel tip number 2, magsuot ng comfortable shoes lalo na sa paglalakad sa shrine. At travel tip number 3, syempre hindi makakalimutan ang camera. andito na tayo sa Divine Mercy Shrine, isa sa pinakakilalang tourist attraction dito sa Sindangan. Standing at 40 feet tall, this statue of Jesus Christ is a symbol of hope and faith. Pwedeng mag-sightseeing dito. Kita niyo naman ang ganda ng view. Kitang-kita ang buong Sindangan mula dito. Makikita rin dito ang statue ni Mama Mary. Kaya perfect ang lugar na ito para prayer and meditation. Para makarating rito mula sa town proper, pwedeng sumakay ng tricycle or habal-habal worth 50 to 100 pesos round trip. Sulit ang biyahe, diba? At very affordable din kasi free lang ang entrance dito. Kaya punta na kayo dito sa Sindangan Divine Mercy Shrine. Sa Divine Mercy Shrine, oras na para kumain at mag-relax dito sa Kananan sa Baybay. Kananan sa Baybay, known for their fresh seafoods and grilled fruits. This is a must-visit spot here in Sindangan.
Ang mga paboritong dishes dito ay ang kanilang grilled beef, grilled chicken, hinilaw at crispy shrimps. May affordable options din for every budget, kaya sulit na sulit ang kain dito. Para makarating rito, from town proper, tricycle or habal-habal ang best way. Around 15 pesos ang one-way ride. Ang mga meals rito ay very affordable. Price range is around 150 to 300 per person.
Hindi natin palalampasin ang Sindangan Boulevard. This seaside spot is perfect for morning walks and enjoying the view of the tropical sea. Sindangan ay isang magandang lugar para sa relaxation at pagmumuni-muni. Makikita rin dito ang pamumuhay ng mga taga-Sindangan, especially sa mga mangingisda preparing for their day. Para makapunta rito, syempre, pwede lang maglakad o sumakay ng tricycle for as long as 20 pesos. Thank you for joining me in this Sindangan adventure. From its rich history to its breathtaking spots, this town has truly something for everyone. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Visit Sindangan and experience its charm yourself. Kita-kits ulit mga kaibigan. Salamat at have a great day.